Namaskar. I am Dilip Pandya. I am a disciple of Swami Vivekananda, and my Guruji, Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa used to say, "As long as I learn, so long do I live." Amongst many, this is one teaching which I have tried to imbibe to the fullest. I am a sworn student for life. After completing my MBA, I went on to do LLB, a program from IIM Ahmedabad. I am an accredited coach, CEO coach from Marshall Goldsmith Stakeholder Centered Coaching. Marshall Goldsmith is USA's #1 leadership thinker. I am a certified global leader of future coach. I am a certified global leader 360-degree assessor. I am a green belt in Six Sigma, which of course means I also am a yellow belt. Parallelly, I enriched myself professionally by working in major Indian and multinational brands for 23 years. And I had a very unique and enriching experience. How so? I worked my way up the ladder, up to the leadership position in sales and marketing. Thereafter, I acquired cross-functional exposure at leadership levels. I have worked across terrains and geographies. I have worked with diverse work culture groups. I have worked with various industries. I have worked with various sectors, and all of my assignments have been challenging in the sense that they were either launch assignments or turnaround assignments, and this was by design. This gave me immense success, and success after success I built up the winner's attitude and habits. In 2013, I established Transcend Biz Mentors Private Limited. We do exactly what the name suggests. To transcend is to grow beyond your own potential, real or perceived. We enable organizations, teams, individuals to shift orbits on a sustainable basis. We are industry agnostic. We have clients across the sectors, be it manufacturing, B2B products, B2C products, service, trading, EPC, wealth management, hospitality, F&B, retail, FMCG, e-commerce, KPO. I invite you to visit my website www.tbmentors.com to find out how we do this exciting stuff, and more importantly, to find out what the clients have to say about us. I also mentor more than 1,000 mentees who are young professionals, young students, managers, senior managers, CXOs, entrepreneurs, and many have approached me and requested me to create a platform where I share my learning and they can draw at their will and comfort, which is why I'm launching this YouTube channel, Coach Dilip Pandya. I invite suggestions from you as to what would you like me to share on this platform. I can share on a variety of subjects. As I said, I have a cross-functional expertise, hence any discipline of management I can share my learning, be it management fundamentals, business ethics, corporate governance, professionalism, leadership, career building, professional behavior, you name it, entrepreneurship, how to grow business, sales and marketing, customer service, HR, process efficiency building, scalability and capability building. I look forward to suggestions from you. I intend to make this channel quite unique in the sense I don't want it to be a boring monologue. I want to be interactive. Hence, I would look forward to your suggestions in terms of inputs, in terms of discussions, in terms of even disagreements, and we shall debate. Don't forget to subscribe to this video channel to get regular updates. Also do like and share this video. Jai Hind.